colors, mga ganon. Yung mga yon pwedeng ituro sa early childhood education services and programs, no? Iba-iba nga. Karamihan, ang kagandahan lang ng early childhood education services, karamihan yan play-based. So, tinuturo mo nang hindi nila alam na tinuturo mo.
So, yan yung tinatawag na play-based. So, naglalaro sila, pero may natututunan.
Kasi
sige.
merong ano yan, scientific reason yan. Because young children learn best.
Best when they're playing. Yung ba yung sinasabi
when they're
nila?
relaxed, when they're in a friendly situation na welcoming at saka concrete yung mga nakikita nila. So, yun. So, you show them through, and play is a very powerful tool for helping children learn many things.
Okay. Sige, Fe. So, siguro ngayon, meron ka bang message sa mga magulang na merong mga preschoolers dyan, yung mga may anak na 6 and below, anong message yung gusto mong iparating sa kanila tungkol sa kahalagahan ng early childhood education?
Ang brain development at ages 0 to 6 is very critical. Ito yung panahon na sinasabi natin na the mind of a child is a sponge, no? At this age, yes, no? Kasi napaka-malleable ng kanilang brain at this stage such that they tend what is being taught them. So if they're filled with positive learning experiences, positive interactions, all of this will help shape their brain. So ang payo ko sa mga magulang is support yung brain development of their children by stimulating them, no, by providing them opportunities to play and learn, explore their surroundings, learn from their surroundings, and then if you can, no, kung kaya rin lang, i-enroll nyo doon sa mga early childhood education programs. Kasi yung mga yun, meron silang na-offer na hindi na-offer ng one-to-one teaching ng parent pati child. No? Kasi you can stimulate your child until such time na mag-enroll na siya sa grade 1. Pwede din yun.
So,
pero nga, kailangan lang, tutukan mo at alam mo na hindi lang isang area ng development ang magfo-focus mo, no? Kasi karamihan ng mga nanay, no, like yung children who have not had any early childhood experiences, who were brought up at home, at saka hindi alam ng mga nanay na kailangan i-develop yung other skills such as socio-emotional, self-help. Yung mga batang 4, 5 years old, minsan sinusubuan pa. Diba? Kasi nga, hindi alam ng nanay na...
Guilty tayo sa mga ganyan.
So, ibig sabihin, yung nanay mismo, hindi niya alam na that's one of the skills that should be taught the young child. No?
Maganda yun na point. Sige, Fe, so siguro, just to close, ang masasabi natin, hindi naman necessary na mag-enroll sa preschool kung kaya naman sa bahay.
At kayang isupport yung
kayang
holistic development ng bata. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka magko-concentrate
sa isang bagay lang.
Isang bagay lang. Pagkatapos, kung meron ka namang kakayahang ma-enroll siya sa mga different forms of early childhood education services such as preschool, daycare, at supervised neighborhood playgroups, at maganda naman yung kalidad, at hindi naman mahirap pumunta doon, i-enroll mo kasi there's an added value of learning with groups. No?
Okay, siguro, Fe, tapusin na natin to kasi pinag-usapan na natin yung early childhood education. Siguro pwede ka namin ulit imbitahin for another session, and we can talk about saan ba pwedeng i-enroll yung mga bata at paano ba natin sila matutulungan, paano ma-determine kung ano yung quality childhood education. Okay, sige. Maraming